Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to NetTech tutorials. In this video I am going to show you how you can find out your network security key or your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So what we are going to do is we are going to first of all check which Wi-Fi you are connected to. So as you can see in my case I am connected to this Wi-Fi. And let's say I forgot the Wi-Fi password of this Wi-Fi which I am connected to. So once you are connected to your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 operating system, once it's saved on your Windows 10 operating system, and you can find out what password you have given when you have connected to this specific Wi-Fi. So to find out this Wi-Fi password, what you can do is just from the desktop click on the Windows icon here. So I'm going to just click here and then click on the gear icon to open up your setting page. On this page click on network and internet, and then on the page that follows go to down where it says network and sharing center and click on it. Once this network and sharing center windows opens, you will be able to see under internet this Wi-Fi connection which you are connected to. So just click on this link here and then go to the wireless properties button. So just click on the wireless properties button here and then go to the security. So here the third option is the option which you are looking for. So it's called network security key, or it's the password of your Wi-Fi which you have given. So in order to view this password, you just need to click on show characters and you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password here. Okay, so this is how you can find out your Wi-Fi password or network security key on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel.